What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Learn for Fun. I am Manoj and this is the third video tutorial of Explaindio. In this video I'll show you how you can use the timeline in Explaindio. So guys, this is the timeline of Explaindio. Now let me add a text. Okay, I just write Learn for Fun. This is our channel name. So add an animation by clicking this little arrow in here. Add new effect. I am using sketch by hand. Okay, let's preview this. Nice. As soon as you add an animation, you can see a little line in here just below the bar. Okay, if you make this line longer, your animation goes slow, as you can see. And if you make this line short, your animation goes fast. Okay, let's make this line more short. So now delete this animation by this crossbar. So I'm using an in animation and out animation for this text. So add a new effect. I'm using flying in and also flying out. So let's take a preview. Nice. So if you want to add few minutes or few time in between the in animation and out animation, so just close this canvas, come here and click this effect tab and add few frame. Okay, I'm using 48 frame. Okay, 48 frame means 2 seconds, 24 frame means 1 second. Okay, let's take a preview. So your animation in here stop for 2 seconds. So that's all for this video. I will see you in next video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn for Fun. Thanks for watching, friends.